Communiqué of the Concerned Citizens Assembly on the restructuring of Nigeria into autonomous federated regions, issued on Wednesday, 19th August 2026, at the conclusion of the 3 days deliberation of the Concerned Citizens Assembly at Nikon Luxury Hotel, Abuja. The Concerned Citizens Assembly, having come from across Nigeria, convened for 3 days from 17th of August to 19th of August 2026 for deliberations on the restructuring of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and having considered the submissions for the establishment of the 15 proposed regions, autonomous regions, hereby issued the following communique. Purpose of the Assembly. The Assembly reaffirmed that its singular purpose is to promote a negotiated, peaceful, and constitutional restructuring of Nigeria into an arrangement in which the constituent regions enjoy substantial autonomy while remaining within the federated regions of Nigeria. The Assembly affirmed that Nigeria can achieve greater peace, security, economic prosperity, accountability, and national cohesion by replacing excessive centralization of power at the center with a genuine federal system based on consent, autonomy, and shared constitutional responsibilities. 15 proposed autonomous regions. The Assembly received and considered requests from 15 proposed regions seeking recognition as autonomous constituent regions of a restructured federated Nigeria. The Assembly acknowledges the legitimate aspirations expressed by the various regions, by the various regional delegations, and recognizes that the question of regional autonomy must ultimately be resolved through a process founded on consent, territorial contiguity, economic viability, cultural affinity, constitutional order, and the protection of the rights of all inhabitants. After consideration of the submissions of Plateau Gurara region and the application for Akwa Agba as a region, it was agreed that the Plateau Gurara region be split into Plateau region and Gurara region, and on the approval of the application of Akwa Agba by the Assembly, thus bringing the total proposed regions to 17. The proposed regions are Akwa Ibom region, Ane Igala region, Akwa Agba region, Bende region, Caliphate region, Cross River region, Gurara region, Hausa region, Igbo region, Ijo region, Kanem region, Lower Benue region, Niger region, Plateau region, Rivers region, Savannah region, and Yoruba region. Unresolved territorial questions. The Assembly acknowledges that certain questions, particularly those relating to territorial boundaries, the inclusion or exclusion of particular communities and areas, and competing regional claims remain unresolved. The Assembly therefore resolved as follows: that outstanding questions shall not be determined by emotion, historical grievance, numerical strength, or political pressure. That they shall be subjected to an objective, transparent, and evidence-based process after the conclusion of this Assembly. That the process shall take into consideration historical, cultural, geographical, economic, administrative, and security considerations, as well as the express wishes of affected communities. That where an issue cannot be resolved through negotiation and objective boundary delineation mechanism, the matter shall be referred to the affected citizens through a referendum. whose outcome shall constitute the expression of their democratic consent. The Assembly considered the principle of consent of the governed as fundamental to the restructuring process. Autonomous regional government. The Assembly adopted the principle that the constituent federated regions of Nigeria shall be autonomous entities within the federation. Each region shall have substantial authority over its internal affairs and shall be empowered to establish institutions appropriate to its circumstances, subject only to the federal constitution and the limited powers constitutionally reserved for the federal government. Limited and enumerated federal powers. The Assembly resolved that the federal government shall be responsible for foreign affairs, customs, immigration, emigration, national economy, currency, and central bank, national defense, and security. The summit also agreed that there will be no concurrent legislative list, and all other powers are to reside within the regions. The summit agreed that the federal government should become a government of clearly defined federal responsibilities rather than an over-centralized authority exercising residual control over constituent regions. Fiscal federalism. The Assembly adopted fiscal federalism as a fundamental principle of the restructured federated regions of Nigeria. Accordingly, regions shall exercise substantial control over the economic resources and revenues generated within their territory. As was the practice in the short-lived Nigerian 1963 Republican Constitution and global best practice, the fiscal principle shall be 80% of revenues generated within a region to be retained by that region. The regions shall contribute the remaining 20% of their revenue to the federal government. The fiscal arrangement shall promote accountability, productivity, competition, development, and responsible management of public resources. The Assembly believes that fiscal responsibility must accompany fiscal authority. Regional security. The Assembly resolved that autonomous regions must have substantial constitutional responsibility for the security and protection of their people. Accordingly, regions shall have full responsibility for regional policing and internal public safety, subject to the federal constitution. Regional security institutions shall operate within the constitutional safeguards, including respect for fundamental human rights and civil authority. National defense, territorial integrity, external security, and other matters expressly assigned to the federal government shall remain federal responsibility. Regional constitutions. The Assembly resolved that every autonomous region shall have its own regional constitution, adopted through a legitimate and participatory process. Such constitutions shall establish the institutions, powers, responsibilities, and systems of governance of the respective regions, subject to the conformity with federal constitution and the fundamental principles of federation. Protection of minorities. The Assembly unequivocally affirmed that the regional autonomy shall not constitute a license for domination or discrimination against minorities. Each regional constitution shall contain specific and enforceable protection for minorities and other vulnerable communities within their region. Such protection shall include, among others, equality before the law, protection of cultural, linguistic, and traditional identities, equitable political representation, protection against discrimination and exclusion, access to public services and opportunities, mechanism for resolving inter-community disputes, and judicial and constitutional remedies against violation of protected rights. The Assembly affirms that no community should be required to surrender its fundamental rights as the price for regional autonomy. Articles of Federation. The Assembly agreed to adopt the Articles of Federation for the Federated Regions of Nigeria, which shall be subscribed to by each federated union. Region. National unity and regional autonomy. The Assembly reaffirmed that restructuring is not a program for disintegration of Nigeria. Rather, the proposed federal arrangements seek to preserve Nigeria as one sovereign country while allowing its constituent regions sufficient autonomy to govern themselves according to their circumstances, aspirations, and constitutional choices. The Assembly believes that unity is strongest when it is founded on consent, justice, mutual respect, and constitutional equality rather than excessive centralization. National Rebat Commission. The Assembly called on Federal Government of Nigeria to immediately establish National Rebat Commission with a clear constitutional and transitional mandate to facilitate the implementation of the decisions and recommendations arising from this restructuring process. The Commission should, among other responsibilities, constitute a truth, reconciliation, unity, and equity department, coordinate the constitutional restructuring process, facilitate negotiations among proposed regions and the federal government, coordinate the objective resolution of outstanding territorial questions, facilitate the referendum where negotiated settlement of territorial questions prove impossible, develop the framework for the transition to autonomous regional governance, coordinate the preparation of the federal and regional constitutional instruments, facilitate the transition to fiscal federalism and regional security arrangement, and ensure that the restructuring process is peaceful, transparent, inclusive, and constitutionally grounded. The composition of the Commission should comprise persons of recognized competence, integrity, independence, and national standing, and should operate transparently. Implementation through consent and constitutional process. The Assembly recognized that resolutions adopted herein require a direct, legitimate constitutional process for their implementation. Accordingly, the Assembly calls upon the Federal Government of Nigeria to direct all relevant institutions and arms of government, civil society organizations, traditional institutions, and citizens to commence a national constitutional dialogue and negotiation directed specifically at translating these resolutions into a new federal constitutional framework. Our declaration. The Concerned Citizen Assembly declared that the present structure of Nigeria requires fundamental reform if the country is to achieve sustainable peace, security, development, and accountable governance. We therefore advocate a new federal arrangement founded upon autonomous regions, fiscal federalism, limited federal power, regional security, regional constitutions, minority protection, democratic consent, constitutionalism, and justice and equity. A peaceful and prosperous federated regions of Nigeria will emerge from voluntary association of stronger regions when we come together by consent. The Assembly calls upon Nigerians to approach this historic task not with fear or hostility, but with courage, reason, mutual respect, and a commitment to building a federation in which every constituent community can confidently say, federated regions of Nigeria work for us because Nigeria is structured by our consent. Adopted by the Concerned Citizens Assembly at Nikon Luxury Hotel, Abuja, on this day, 19th of August, 2026. Thank you, and God bless you.